Today I'm going to see if I can get this nasty step pad off so I can replace it with a new one. So the rubber here is gotten old, weather beaten, and dried out. And yeah, it's just coming apart. And it's sticky and nasty. And of course the plastic is all nice and brittle too, so that's nice. I got these little plastic dongers in here. So I had to go on to the, because this is a Lund step bar, and I had to contact them to see if they had replacement pads. So they replied to me and they gave me a part number to go order it from Jigs. So I says to myself, hey self, you got the part number, why don't you go look it up on eBay? And that's where I ended up getting it from, because there was one other place that had it, and I ordered it from them, and they never got back to replying to me if they had the part or if it was the correct one and all that other stuff. So I went ahead and got it on eBay, which don't matter. It's about the same price. Of course, it don't matter if I scratch the shit out of the top of this, because it's going to be covered up anyway. The fun part is getting this double stick crap off. But we got the wannabe Amazon 1800 watt heat gun to take it off, which is really 1250 watts. The funny thing is, Amazon says it's got a new version, and in its description it says 1250 watts. That was easy. Now for this double-sided tape crap. Now I'll get some alcohol and some paper towels. Now we'll test fit the new pad. So being that this is a Weston pad on a Lund step bar, not all the holes line up, that's fine. As long as a couple of them are still in there, should fit all right. I do have another one. See if that one fits better. Pretty much the same thing. It's fine. We'll modify it, make it work. Now, do these things fit? Or did they go all the way in? Yeah, they go all the way in. Wah, wah, wah. That's a fail. So what I might have to do is get some double stick tape and tape it down. That's fine. What do you want me to do? Chop it off? But at least it fits. So I'll get some 3M double stick tape from Amazon and stick it down. Because I don't think these little, I don't think they're going to give me enough give to stick back in the hole. No. So I'll get some double stick tape and we'll patch it up. And nobody will know the difference, because once it's on there and stuck down, nobody will know. So that's that. So if you stuck around this long, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.